needs a crowbar.
Jeffrey Turney, how would you describe your experience on deck building?
Well, so far it's a little touch and go, but you know, a lot of hard work and a lot of ingenuity went into this. I mean, we owe a lot to Dakota Martin, the great. What's his nickname?
The Machine. I think the Machine.
They call him the Great Machine.
Yeah.
The Iron Machine sometimes in some circles. And
what would you say about the percentage that you gave on this project? You say everybody gave maybe, is it 110, 120?
They say you can't give more than 100%. I've given at least 104, 105% this time.
You know,
yeah.
I think you're underestimating by 2 or 3%.
Perhaps.
But, you know, we appreciate it, Jeffrey. Thanks for your input and thanks for your contribution to.
Absolutely, we thank you, Steve Milner.
We take your praise.
We wouldn't be here without you.
Stuart, how's your Colorado experience?
It has been very nice. It's nice to work in the summer when it's 75 degrees, and it's a great group of people to work with, and I'm looking forward to finishing the deck and doing a little golfing, fishing, and hiking.
I like that idea as well.
In the summer of 21, Jeff Turney sent a plea requesting some assistance from the Milner family. The Colorado cabin needed tender love and care, so he asked Steve and Stewart if they could join him there. The Milner boys accepted, everybody made their plans. Then it was suggested we could use 2 more skilled hands. A nephew named Dakota was invited to the crew. When it came to construction, there was nothing he couldn't do. They brought their tools and they brought along Dakota. They sawed and they hammered, working all the livelong day. Well, they measured twice and their cuts were always right, and we rebuilt the deck that had once belonged to Gay. Well, everybody hoped that the structure neath the deck wouldn't need replacing, but we were wrong as heck. We had to buy more lumber and we couldn't move it till we loaded up a cargo van and hauled it up the hill. Dakota had some trouble getting here from Old Raton. Bubbles on his tires made the trip a little long, but his pickup truck was fully stocked with all the tools we need. And once JD arrived with him, success was guaranteed. And they measured and they sawed and they built a new foundation, 'cause the one left from the 90s was rotten through and through. They took the old wood out 'cause there wasn't any reason to build a brand new deck on wood that wasn't true. While it wasn't hot as Texas, the sun was mighty warm, but we drank a lot of water so no one came to harm. Dakota had an awning providing us with shade, allowing us to work all through the hottest part of day. With the cabin near capacity, 2 new folks joined the gang. Greg was pleasant company when Nona came and sang. With all the 8 of us in place, we all had hands on deck. Both literally and figuratively, we built the deck to spec. They brought their tools and they brought along Dakota. They sawed and they hammered, working all the livelong day. Well, they measured twice and their cuts were always right, and we rebuilt the deck that had once belonged to Gabe. Railing and the stairs and decking took a little time, but the final finished product all agreed was just sublime. Jeff and Paul were grateful for the Milners and the Martins. Without them, the Turneys would be a fiddling and a farting. Many hands made light work is the moral of the song, and when the hands are truly skilled, it seldom comes out wrong. When we're sitting out upon our deck in 2041, we'll think fondly of the people who got the project done. They brought their tools and they brought along Dakota. They sawed and they hammered, working all the livelong day. Well, they measured twice and their cuts were always right, and they rebuilt the deck that had once belonged to Gay. Yeah.
I know you haven't made your mind up yet. but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong.
Wait. Okay.
I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, I'd go crawling down the avenue. Oh, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There's nothing that I would not do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Right clay pigeons. Here we go.
Come home late, come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight, you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Come on, Mildred. Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a word and a jealous mind. How can love that'll last forever get left so far behind? What in the world has come over you? Can you sing the melody? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Somebody mean and a dreadful sorrow has crossed the evil line this day. Well, how can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Can we take it home? You're out there running just to be on the run. One more time. You're out there running just to be on the run.
Going Going down to the Greyhound station, gonna buy a ticket to ride. Gonna find that lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down round me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, sing a song for the people I meet, and get along with it all. Where the people say, oh, sing a song with a friend, change the shape that I'm in, and get back in the game and start playing again. Oh, excellent. Hold it. I'd like to stay, but I might have to go to start over again. I might go back down to Texas, might go to somewhere I've never been. Get up in the morning and go out at night, I won't have to go home. Get used to being alone. Ooh, I should change the words to the song, start singing again.
Take it, Paul. Okay, I will.
Tired of running around looking for answers to questions that I already know. I could build me a castle of memories just to have somewhere to go. Count the days and nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again. Feed the pigeons and play, turn the night into day. Start talking again when I know what to say. Going down to the Greyhound station, gonna buy a ticket to ride. Gonna find that lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and round me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, sing a song for the people I meet, get along with it all. Where the people say, Paul, how'd you know to deliver the pigeons and play? Turn the night into day, start talking again when I know what to say.